So today we're here in Bucktown viewing a condominium that we did a huge renovation project here for Jonathan and Becky. They're going to walk us through their project, which cost approximately $485,000. It was a complete gut rehab, and I'll let them take over and walk you through the house. It's absolutely gorgeous. We are so excited to be here today. So Becky and Jonathan, if you can explain a little bit about what the condo was, what your vision was, and what you guys did, I appreciate it.
Sure. So the condo was a simple 2-bedroom, 2-bath thing that we were using 1 bedroom for our office. And during the pandemic, we both ended up working from home, and we needed more space to be able to work, be able to live, and share the space together. So the original idea was to simply extend the loft out over the kitchen to add some space for office for our work from home needs. All
right, so we're going to take a walk through and show you what's been done.
So this is the living room. It's the room that has probably changed the least since the construction, other than maybe the orientation. We've split this into 2 separate areas. One is the media room, where we have our TV and most comfortable sofa set up, and a little conversation area where we have a lounge chair, and we'll probably have some more accent chairs coming to fill out this space. One of the prize features of this is our little bookcase that the cats use to go up and down so they can access the 2nd floor without having to use people stairs, which they seem to like a lot. So the loft was built out over the kitchen, which was completely redone. We've replaced the island with a much longer, broader island with waterfall edges. This is all quartzite, so natural materials. New cabinets, new appliances. The appliances are subtle, hidden. The refrigerator is tucked back here. It's all Miele appliances except for the dishwasher. We have some storage here. Is our pantry, which pulls out, which makes it a lot more accessible, and induction stovetop, which I've been very excited about for making cooking a much easier and joyful experience. These appliances are fantastic. They were a major upgrade from our old appliances, which were original to the apartment. We got rid of the slide and range and instead opted for 2 smaller ovens that we can use simultaneously. This one also doubles as a microwave. The other one's a steam oven, which gives us more cooking options. And the induction is a huge improvement over the gas. I know some people really love cooking on gas, but I found the induction to be more precise and easier to use. It's also much more subtle and easier to clean surface. Yeah. It hides away and doesn't take up all that space. So we now have a lot more counter space for storing things or displaying or putting out food. We have more seating at the counter here when we have guests in a more casual environment that we don't want to necessarily break out the dining room for. It's just a much bigger, more usable space overall. One of the nicer touches that I love is a little beverage center that we've had installed on this side so that people aren't constantly accessing the refrigerator to get what we usually get the most, which is just cold beverages and whatnot. So it's very convenient for hosting.
The steel was a solution for it was an answer to our original loft, which was creaky and it wasn't big enough. We originally had a loft just back there for the primary bedroom and bathroom, and what we wanted to add was more space for an office. We could not extend the existing loft the way it was built. So we had a structural engineer in and everything, and they ended up having to pull down the original loft, and they rebuilt it all with steel. It doesn't creak anymore. It's very solid. The stairs are built with steel, and I think aesthetically, I really like the solid black lines. I feel like the place is a little outlined in a fun graphical way. And then this area over here where we have 2 paths of the stairway diverging, one to rest and one to work, is just beautiful. It looks good from every angle.
So this is the main floor bathroom. It serves as our guest bathroom, and I wanted to turn this into a steam shower room, and so we installed porcelain tiling, which reflects the heat better. Plus, it's a smaller bathroom, which helps contain the steam and the heat more efficiently. It's one of my favorite features.
This is the former home office slash guest bedroom, and it was a lot of space that was reserved in case somebody showed up that we didn't really get to use except for the little desk in the corner. And now it is our dining room. We play a lot of board games here, and we get to use this space now where before it was kind of off limits. Always had to keep it ready. Now we still have a guest bedroom. We have a queen size bed here that pulls out, and instead of hard walls, we can put up soft walls for curtains if we do need to shut this off for privacy.
So the stairs used to come from this side of the column up this way, turning before going up to the main bedroom here. So all this was open before with a narrow hallway that we had to go single file to get to the exit. But since then, we've now reversed the direction of the stairs in order to accommodate the office and bedroom together and to make the flow much more convenient for us.
Mm-hmm. And underneath the stairs was a great storage space. In a condo, you want to use every square inch you can. So we have a hidden door here, which will give us access to storage, but we also have cats, so it was the perfect place to put the kitty litter. There's an open cubby right there for the cats to pass through, and they do their business there. And then down here we have a little hole for the robot vacuum. So it will tucks itself in at night when it's all done sweeping the floors for us. So it's very efficient use of space and beautiful too. So the decorative elements to the stairs were designed by the architects, and the layout of the mirrors some storage, some shelving we have on the other side. So they kind of visually talk to each other, and it just adds a wonderful balance to the space because you can see everything all at once in a place so open as this.
So this is our shared office space with his and her desks. Since we both work from home, this was incredibly important, and it was the impetus for the entire project. Not a whole lot else to say about this other than we have this amazing bookshelf designed by our architects that has some sweeping design and curves built into it, and makes for a very lovely detail. So the bedroom is pretty straightforward. There wasn't a whole lot done for this. It actually used to be bigger because we had space for armoires and dressers and stuff that we no longer need, since we've also added the built-in walk-through closet area. So the bedroom itself serves as a simple bedroom, just a bed, a little TV over the balcony for us to watch, and a place to hang some art.
So instead of dressers, we have a built-in closet. I love it. It's very efficient, and it's also the hallway to the bathroom. All of these open up to a variety of hanging storage and drawer space, but then we also have our laundry here in the closet, so the laundry doesn't really leave the closet unless we're wearing it. And then from here, we can go right on into the bathroom. So this enormous wet room is the primary bathroom. The floors are heated. We splurged for marble. I love it. And my favorite thing is that there's 2 shower heads. So as a couple, sometimes we need to take a shower at the same time, and now it's not a problem. Then we also have a soaker tub. I was thinking I didn't even want a tub, but the soaker tub is great. It's so much deeper and so much more relaxing than the standard issue tubs that you get with most places. And then both bathrooms have bidets, which are life-changing. I recommend them. And yeah, this is our fabulous bathroom. It's really, really hard to not be late for work because you can just stay in here all day.
So in summary, we were able to do a renovation refinance on this condo here in Bucktown. We had a loan that we paid off for $130,000, and we gave the clients $485,000 for this gut rehab. The current value on the property is somewhere between $750,000 and $775,000. Becky and Jonathan, we've worked together, I think, for the past year now. We did your loan. We also refinanced them into a lower rate when the project was done because the rates dropped in time, which was great. Yeah. But do you have any suggestions, people thinking about doing a project like this? What helped you the most preparing and then getting to the end?
I'd say it was getting you on board right off the bat. We had already interacted and hired our architects who came up with the broad vision, but having someone who could refer the consultant to come, kind of dive in and work out all the details and actually implement that vision in a way that we never could was absolutely critical to getting this done. Getting it done within a reasonable time frame and then with a reasonable price too.
So this project took 9 months to complete from start to finish. They did have to move out and they did rent during that time. Remember, you can roll in payments on a gut rehab. And the HUD consultant is the person that comes out right away and creates the numbers. And that's what Jonathan or Becky are talking about. He was able to create the numbers so they can use that format to get the GC, which was very helpful for them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I really liked the refinance mortgage product. There's a lot of things about it that made me feel better. The HUD consultant was really helpful. We had plans, but knowing how to make it work, knowing what was a reasonable amount of money to be charged was really enlightening. And I think overall it smoothed out the process.
That's great. And I mean, this home is gorgeous. We've tried to highlight it for you today, but this is their forever home. It is gorgeous. If you are thinking about doing a rehab, please feel free to reach out to me. My cell number is 773-848-4144.